Hello friends, this is Paresh here. Namaste. I am going to introduce to you Lecker antenna, and I am having a short course of 3 days on Zoom on Lecker antenna, and this every day it will be for around 2 hours. In this course I am going to talk about what this instrument is, what this Lecker antenna is, how to use this Lecker antenna, where it is useful, what are the different aspects that you can do with this Lecker antenna. So it is all about what this Lecker antenna is, where it is going to be useful, what are the different wavelengths of this Lecker antenna. With this Lecker antenna you can check the energy of a given person, you can check all the 7 chakras, you can check the different organs, how much they quantitatively they are in working state. Similarly, with this Lecker antenna you can check any given vastu. You can check the cosmic energy, the telluric energy, the global energies. You can also check the geopathic stress. You can check whether the house is having any type of entity energies, any type of negative energies. So with this instrument you can check a lot of things like you may be doing with many other instruments. And this is very handy. You can carry it in your pocket. You don't need to change different capsules or tubes with different energies, because everything here is on the wavelength. And this wavelength chart will be given to you in this sessions that I will be taking, and you will be introduced to all the different wavelengths, what these different wavelengths are for. With this instrument you can check crystals, pendulums, and whatever objects you are using for corrections. Even healers can use this to check energies of the people, before healing, after healing, what different effects, what are the different changes you are getting in a person due to the different type of healing modalities that you are introducing on a given person for his issues that he or she is facing. Similarly, you can check with this instrument the food that you are eating, the qualitative food, the nutrients, how much is the energy in that food. Similarly, many people they wear gemstones. So you can also check the energy of the gemstone. Here I am again repeating the word energy of a gemstone. Normally we wear the gemstone based on cut clarity and size, but we never go through this energy concept. So maybe a gemstone, it may be priced say above 10, 20, 30,000, but if it doesn't have energy, then it's equal to a normal stone. But the gemstone may be just few thousand, it may be 5-10,000, but it is having energy. That energy will make the difference in giving you the result. So with this instrument you can check the qualitative energy of any given object, any given material. Even when you are doing civil works, you can check the energy of the products that you are using in it. So in this 3 days course I will be introducing you what are the different methods, what are the different exercises, what are the different ways how you can hold this instrument, and with regular practice this instrument will start to work in your hand. Because with any tool, like if you practice tabla, you have to everyday practice so that you get into rhythm. So with this instrument, with this course, what will happen is you will be introduced to that rhythm which you have to practice every day, and with that practice this instrument will start to flow in your hands automatically. Because when you hold and scan anything, this instrument has to move on its own. You are not going to move it. That is the very important part about this instrument. And here you don't have to in pendulum dowsings or in many other things, you have to introduce your mind and you have to introduce your mind. But here, because you are setting this instrument at different wavelengths, you don't have to use your mind. It's totally pure, neat and clean, and you are just scanning at the different wavelengths and finding the positive, negativity or the qualitative answers that you want. So thank you friends. Join my video course, online course that I am having through Zoom. It is live course and it is going to be for 3 days. Thank you friends.